Good morning! Good morning, good morning, good morning. Wala pang 12, so good morning pa. Naka-edit ako ng 2 videos. Nag-edit ako dito, vlog. Tapos nag-edit ako sa isang computer, review. And wala akong video na magiging up tonight kasi still saving silang 2. Siguro matatapos first yung review. So, I will upload it agad-agad after. Pero hindi ko alam kung... I'm not sure if it's gonna be up. Kasi I usually... Oh, Merry Christmas! Sabi niya, pag nag-good morning ka, mag-Merry Christmas. Karalimutan ko. Ang dami ko kasing daldal. Merry Christmas! It's 25! I forgot to close my vlog last night. So, the last clip was us doing the firework thing. Yeah, pero yeah, Merry Christmas, guys! Nandito yung ano ko, bear ko. Nakahiga. Being a big bear. Kakain ako. Ayaw pa niya kumain. Nag-cereal. You had cereal. And ayaw pa niya kumain. So, kakain ako. Nag-coffee lang ako kanina. And yeah, I need to film a video as well today. Kasi kailangan kong, yeah. I'm filming the holiday makeup look. Yung simple lang na holiday makeup look. And then, Dan will do the voiceover. And that will be up before before New Year's. Kasi nga holiday makeup look siya. But yeah, I'm doing that. And then, I'm vlogging. And then, yeah, I'm vlogging today. What are we gonna do today? Really, nothing. Just stay home, right? Yeah, yesterday was a long day. And like the day before that and the day before that. It's been a lot of long days. But yeah, today, chill. And then, the boys were planning to go to the beach or somewhere tomorrow. We'll see. Tomorrow will be our last day here in the Philippines. No, here in Cebu. So last day sa Cebu. And yeah, we're thinking of going somewhere. Like Kawasan Falls ata yung sinasabi ni Marlon kahapon. Pero ano kasi, natulog sila sobra. Maaga na. Siguro Marlon went to bed at 5 in the morning. And then Merwin and Mark went to bed at 6. Kasi they invited their friends over last night. And yeah, nag-inuman sila kagabi. Hindi kami uminom at all. We didn't drink at all. Good job. I was gonna drink. Sabi ko sa kanya, sige, iinom ako. But siya hindi niya feel. So, hindi kami uminom at all. Kakain ako ulit ng lechon again. Siguro yung lechon yung lunch ko kahapon, dinner kagabi. Tapos ngayon, siya na naman yung lunch ko. So, Dan, ayaw pa niya kumain. So, yung kapatid ko yung yayayain ko. Si Miss lang yung yung gising. Yung mga lalaki tulog pa kasi nga maaga silang natulog. Umaga na. Umaga na. So, yeah. We will have lunch. You're sure you don't want to have lunch? Just, like, just konti lang. A little bit, no? Okay. I'll have lunch. Gusto niya mag-pizza, kaya lang close yung Alberto's. It's Christmas kasi, babe. Close. Yeah, I ate it. Nandito kami sa 7-Eleven. Buti na lang open sila. Kumalan sila ng siopaw, tsaka hotdog right there. And then bumili siya ng sauce. Ito, cheese sauce. 4 pesos siya. 4 pesos. Tapos, meron palang free na Manhattan dressing. Right here. And then, ketchup. Tapos, merong sauce para sa siopaw. And then, bumili siya ng Chucky. Yung paborito niyang drink. And then, yeah. Busog na ako. Kumain ako kanina siya. Hindi siya kumain kasi parang naumay na siya sa lechon. Si Papa magluluto mamaya ng laman loob. So yeah, that's good. They're trying to get karaoke. Kasi kahapon sana kaya lang wala available. So, i-try ni Marlon na makarent ng karaoke today. Para masaya. Agay! Kinukulit na yung buhok ko. Gamit yung binigay ni sis Brian _stuff sa Instagram. Lapit na siya matapos. Gagawin niya to, tatapusin niya to, tapos ako na bahala sa front. And yeah, sobrang kulot sa likod. Kaya tapos ko lang mag-film. Ay, ayaw mag-focus. Babe! Pakita natin kay Dan yung mukha ko. Look at me.
Oh, you look nice. You look pretty.
Thank you.
Wearing a bra?
I'm wearing a bra, yeah.
Okay.
Look at me. This is the makeup look that you will do voiceover.
Okay.
Do you like my hair?
Yeah.
I actually really like my hair.
You look like Jennifer Lopez. You look good, actually.
Jennifer Lopez. Can you smell the food? Smells really good. Nagluto si Papa ng laman loob.
Delicious.
Let's eat? Let's have some?
Yeah, let's have some.
Yeah, let's have some food. Gusto ko ipatry sa kanya yung balut mamaya. Ewan ko kung kakain siya ng balut. Kasi malapit na kami umalis. And yeah, magpapalit lang ako ng top. And then, plano ko mag-film ulit ng favorites naman mamaya. So, yeah, palitan ko lang tong top ko. Kasi pang video. Pang yun lang talaga yun. So, yes. Kailangan ko siya i-edit agad-agad para ma-voice over na dan. Tapos, yeah, i-add ko yung voice over. Ganon. So, yes. It's gonna look really dark on camera, this one. Kuan kayo ba? Dark kayo sa... Yummer.
Kyle.
Kain na.
Thank you.
Okay. Hala, there's a flat. Di ba nag-turn on the, I'm done! Na-film ko na yung favorites video ko. So, so, pwede ko nang ligpitin yung aking softbox. Right there, oh. Pwede ko na siyang ligpitin. Kasi yun na yung last video na kailangan kong i-film. Na-film ko na yung holiday makeup look. This one right here. Are you ready to do the voiceover?
They're doing it today?
No, I don't think
Nah.
so. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Worst case scenario, we can always do it in the hotel room.
No.
I'll try and do it
I need to upload it. I need to upload it though. I don't have Lappy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be tomorrow.
Yep. Why are you hiding? Good morning. Magpapak ako. I'm actually starting na. Right there. So, yeah. Kasi bukas na yung alis namin. I think we will go to the, like, beach today. No, not beach. Resort. Yung malapit lang sa amin. And, yeah. So, magpapak lang ako. And then, natutulog pa kasi sila. Si Miss natutulog pa. Yung mga boys natutulog pa. So, I'm just gonna do this. And then, you will help me, babe?
Yeah.
He will help me. And, kakaano lang niya nung voiceover niya. So, hindi ko pa siya nakita. Mamaya na kapag nag-edit ako. Thank you.
Right.
Hi guys! I'm packing. Malapit na ako matapos. Yeah. Yung, binook namin sa ticket namin, 20 kilos yung sa akin, 20 kilos din yung kay Dan. And I think okay lang na 20 kilos lang. Parang in-overthink ko yung mga mangyayari na feeling ko sobrang dami kong dadalhin. Hindi pala siya ganun karami, okay lang. And then I forgot to mention, naka-receive ako ng package, siguro last week pa to. This is from Beauty Republic. No, the Trendy Republic. I forgot to mention them kasi. So, I'm just gonna show you guys. Ito yung mga in-offer nila. Oh, yung meron silang mask, meron silang mga Korean makeup. So, they sent me Aloe Repair na cushion. Hindi ko siya dadalhin kasi I'm pretty sure hindi ko siya magagamit because it's lighter sa skin tone ko. And then, meron ding Perfect Cover BB Cream from Misha. I'm not sure if ito yung same product na nasabi ko sa disappointing products ko. Sinabi ko sa kanya, but she said it's different daw, pero I think it is. Pero yeah. And then, she sent me the Face Shop Oil Control Water Cushion as well. This one, Black Kill Pore Tightening Pack. This one, I think I'm gonna bring with me. Pore Tightening Pack. Kasi, mahilig gusto ni Dan na yung nose niya. And then, they sent me a lot of masks. They're selling masks. Tapos, mga jewelries din. She sent me a watch. Blue siya, na meron siyang parang globe or map. Sa hindi nyo kita. Pero I'm not gonna open it kasi I will bring it and okay na ganito naka-bubble wrap. She sent me a necklace na ito. What do you call that? Handcuffs. So, ganyan yung style niya. Ibibigay ko yun sa pinsan ko kasi sobrang dami ko ng necklaces. And then a lot of masks. Let me show you. Panda's Dream Eye Patch. This I'm bringing with me kasi it doesn't weigh anything. And then Cucumber Ultra Hydrating Essence Mask. I'm bringing that with me as well. And then Green Tea Facial Mask. Ooh, nice. Green tea. Ito. Coenzyme Q10. Ito. I'm bringing all the masks kasi alam ko na magagamit ko sila eh. Farm Stay Collagen. And then last one is the Ipuda Collagen Mask. Thank you so much, Trendy Republic. As in, super thank you. I will leave their information below if naalala ko. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be really freaking busy. Pero yeah, ano siya you guys? The Trendy Republic. So yung link is LYQ. Meron silang Facebook at saka Instagram. I will do my best to post it because I'm pretty sure this vlog will be up while I'm traveling. Tapos ano din, wala akong lapi for 2 days sa Manila kasi iiwan ko yung lapi ko para kay Miss. Siya na yung gagamit ng lapi ko. Oh, I need to buy her a battery. Mag-order ako ng battery online kasi kailangan ng battery yung lapi ko eh. So, I need to do that. I have a lot of things that I need to do. Kailangan kong gumawa ng authorization letter kasi nagpunta kami sa ano, diba? Sa SM para kunin yung ano ko, license ko, renewed license ko, and hindi ko siya nakuha agad that day kasi kailangan pang mag-wait. Pwede ko na siyang kunin December 28 and we're leaving December 27. So, yung sisi ko yung kukuha nun, ano lang, magli-leave lang ako ng authorization letter. So, I need to do that. Tapos, yeah, I segregated mga makeup na ibibigay ko sa mga pinsan ko. So, I have a few in there. Na-segregate na namin ni Miss. Yung mga local makeup na nireview ko na hindi ko masyadong bet. So, like, yeah, they can use it. And then, this power bank, the last time Dan weighed my luggage, 18 kilos lang siya. And I can bring up to 20. So, I'm good. And I'm almost done. And yeah, so 27, I will be meeting the YouTubers. I'm so excited. We're actually, yeah, I'm just gonna finish packing and then mamaya pupunta kami sa Alberto's kasi gusto na Dan mag-pizza. Punta kami sa Alberto's. Open na to today. Kahapon close to eh. Gusto ni Dan i-try yung pizza nila. And bibili din ako ng shake or siya magbabayad. Para sa fam-bam. Gusto nila ng shake. Kumain ako kanina eh. Siya hindi siya kumain kasi nag-rice tsaka pork. He got his pizza. $4 pizza. And ano to? Pizza Supreme. So meron siyang pepperoni, bell pepper, olives, bacon. Bacon, babe? Ooh, that's good, babe. There's bacon. Mushroom, pineapple. And yeah, yummers. Kain. Do you want sauce? And then, nag-order din siya ng shake. Siya lang yung kakain kasi, ano, I mean, I'm gonna have a piece. Pero hindi ako nag-order ng drink kasi hindi ko mauubos yan. But nag-take out kami ng 3 nito. No, actually, 5 nito. Para sa mga kapatid ko at saka kay mama. Do you like it? Yeah? Good?
Cheese is really good.
The cheese? Yeah. Quick melt yung pinili ko eh. Mura lang to. How much was it, babe? 140,
wasn't it?
Yeah. 140. Yummers, kain!
Hi guys!
Nandito kami sa Villa Dulce. Yes. Ito yung ano namin, ni-rent namin. Hut. Kami lang, si Papa hinintay namin. Si Papa yung ano, bumili ng food. Tapos sila Merwin, ano din, ano tawag? Kasi Tagalog sa apas. Apas? Susunod! Susunod si Merwin. Sama yung mga friends niya.
Are you featuring Antonio in your vlogs at all?
Yeah, Antonio. Antonio boy.
Antonio.
Antonio. Antonio, Jeremiah?
Antonio. Jose Antonio.
Lolo na ko.
Jose Antonio, babe.
Jose.
Ha, Jose.
Jose Antonio.
Jose. Nandito na si Papi, you guys. Yung binili ni Papi na puso, yung hanging rice, 150. Tapos ano lang kami, 11 lang kami. Hindi pa nga nandito lahat. Wala pa dito lahat. Si Marlon umalis. Bumili ng ice. Pero look at this.
How much are they each?
Tingnan nyo, ang dami. Grabe.
Pila.
Ha?
Pila.
Pila for the puso? I'm not sure. Ask Papi.
150.
Pila ba ang each?
Tagpilang puso. 3 pesos.
3 each. That's a lot of money.
450.
Grabe. Tapos ano, wala nang pork. So, fish yung binili ni Papi. And then may uling. So, ano, mag-grill kami ng
Palit pa
ano.
sila.
We give to the home.
Tsaka, kung sobrang dami binili na puso ni Papi, sabi niya, ano daw, 100, yeah, you can bring it there. Sabi ni Papi, ano daw, 100 lang sana daw yung bibilhin niya, pero gusto niya ng extra daw, para sure. So, yung extra naman, 50 na puso. Grabe naman, uy. Ang dami naman. Papi, Danny Boy, naliligo sila Marlon, umuulan. Kanina, actually, konti lang, parang ano na lang. Pero yeah, kanina sobrang lakas ng ulan. Meron nag-video kay dito eh. Inano nila, ni-rent nila yung video kay so hindi kami makapag-video kay. Pero okay lang sila Marlon nandun sa pool. Hindi kami naligo kasi sobrang dumi ng tubig. Hindi naman siguro sobrang dumi, pero madumi siya. Kanina pa siguro to, kanina umaga pa, ang dami kasing tao. So yun, madumi na yung dalawang pools nila. Kaya hindi na lang kami naligo. Si Dan gustong gusto pa sana maligo. Kaya lang madumi. Pagdating na lang sa bahay, mag-shower na lang. Guys, sobrang pagod na ako. It is 12 na ata. Is it 12 already, babe?
12 o'clock.
Yeah, 12:05 na ng gabi and ng umaga. Kailangan ko mag-edit ng video. Hindi ko natapos yung favorites video ko. I do not... Hindi kaya. Hindi kaya. Kasi kailangan ko pa mag-edit ng vlog. Itong vlog ito, kailangan ko pa siya edit. So, I need to close this vlog now. Edit it. And then, hopefully upload it. I'm uploading the video. Yung Dan does my voiceover. I hope it makes it. Akala ko kasi maaga lang kami matapos. Hapon na kasi kami pumunta doon. And before pa kami pumunta doon, I edited this video. Itong ina-upload ko ngayon. I didn't really vlog much when I was there because hindi ko siya masyadong bet, you guys. Hindi kami nag-swimming kasi sobrang dumi ng pool. Hindi naman siguro sobra. Siguro I'm exaggerating. Pero, like, it's madumi enough na parang sabi namin na ayoko maligo dyan. Kaming dalawa nila hindi kami naligo. Yung boys naligo sila, pero like after nila maligo sa pool, over nag-rinse sila ng katawan nila kasi nga madumi yung pool. Pero yeah, it was good kasi yun yung pinakamalapit na resort na sa amin. Sinama kasi nila yung kaibigan nila and ayoko naman na sabihin na uwi na tayo ng sobrang aga. So, nakauwi kami dito 11 na. And then, yeah, I took a shower. I started editing my favorites. Hindi ko kaya, hindi ko matatapos kasi I'm not even halfway and it's already 12 and kailangan ko pa i-edit yung vlog na to. Kasi again, I will not have a lappy for 2 days. Yeah, and I will be really busy in Manila as well. Like, fully booked. 27 may ganap. 28, I can tell you now, 27 I'm meeting the YouTubers. Sila Anakay, sila Ann, sila Aisha, like, yeah. Sila Chris Lumagi, sila you guys. Yeah, so I will be meeting them. And it's gonna be my first time meeting most of them. Yung na-meet ko si Ann lang. Na-meet ko siya last year before I went to Australia. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. And then on the 28th, pupunta kami ng Divisoria. So 28th will be Divisoria Day. Hala! Is that from the freezer?
It's from the fridge.
Is it-
No one drank it.
So you're drinking it? Okay. Yeah, and then on the 29th, alis na kami. Balik na kami ng Australia. So yeah, yun yung ganap. Pasensya na kung hindi ako nakaka-reply sa mga comments. As in, sobrang daming ganap. And kanina, walang signal dun sa pinuntahan namin. So like, yeah, it's just hard. It's just too hard. Anyway, I will go edit. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, goodbye, good night.